Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing the right file and opening it in your editor. You want a high-quality original. Once opened, confirm canvas size and resolution so text scales correctly. If needed, duplicate the layer to preserve the original image and make sure your color profile matches the final use. Then select the text tool. This first action places a text box where you click. You do this now because positioning and resolution determine legibility and export options later. You type your message and immediately choose a font that matches tone. Once done, size it so it's readable on target screens. Make deliberate choices. Increase line height for multi-line text and tweak kerning for aesthetic balance. Use contrast, light text on dark areas, or add a semi-transparent box behind text to maintain legibility. You can add subtle drop shadow or stroke to separate text from busy backgrounds. These tweaks ensure your words are both seen and felt. You finalize by choosing whether to keep the text layer editable or rasterize it for effects. Once decided, export with the right format and compression for its use. Check the image at actual display size to verify legibility, and if you need transparency, use PNG. For smaller photo files, use high-quality JPEG. If text looks blurry, increase resolution or adjust anti-aliasing and reproportion the text box. This single troubleshooting step fixes most readability problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.